back to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it and also press on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is about hairstyles, specifically for school and college. There are three hairstyles that I'm doing today, and you can do it in school, in colleges, and even in offices if you find it convenient to do there. So let's quickly get started. For the first hairstyle, start by side partitioning your hair. Take a small section of hair close to the partition and divide it into three parts. Start with a reverse 3-strand braid. Place the front strand on top of the middle one and the back strand on top of the front one. Now as you go, keep adding hair onto the front part of the hair and place it on top of the middle. Make sure that you are adding hair only to the front strands and not to the back or the middle one. Continue doing this till your braid reaches next to your hair. After this, stop adding hair to the front strand and now make a regular 3-strand braid. Once you have reached the desired length of the braid, secure this with the help of bobby pins. And your hairstyle is now ready. You can pull the hair slightly in the front to give that extra volume. Hairstyle 1 is done. Now if you don't want to keep your hair open after the first hairstyle, pull all your hair to one side and secure them with an elastic. Now make an opening on the top and pull the remaining hair from inside that opening. Add one more elastic and repeat the process. You can do it as many times as you want depending upon the length of your hair. I have done it thrice. And hairstyle number 2 is ready here. This braid gives an impression of a fishtail braid and is much faster and easier to achieve. For the last hairstyle, start by taking a small section of hair from the center and twist it behind and secure it with a bobby pin. Do that with 2 to 3 more sections or as many as you like. I have done it for 3 sections here. Finally, secure rest of your hair in a top ponytail. In case you have a lot of baby hair like mine, you can always use bobby pins to secure them, or you can also use a hairspray if you like it. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my channel.